So we're just going to be going over like a couple of things on the car and seeing what's exactly wrong with it, because as you guys know or may not know, in these type of auctions, sometimes they don't really fully disclose what may be wrong. So it said it had a front end collision, but as far as I can tell, if anything, it was very minimal. There's no massive frame damage on this thing, which is definitely a good thing, because that would have definitely been a very difficult thing to fix. But yeah, it looks pretty good as far as I can tell so far, but we'll see how that goes. Needs a lot of work up here in the engine bay. I've already ordered valve covers in the spark plug cover, and as well as the timing cover, so this will all be covered. Just gotta make sure there's nothing hidden, with this RB26. I just hope that, we put everything back on it, and whatever's missing. As you can tell, lots of stuff missing. Right here. Move the camera down, there we go. Lots of stuff here. And over here. So, well, we got some stuff just sitting in there, but not entirely sure at this point how to put it all back together. But I actually was able to find the service manual for this car, so that definitely is a plus. I'm gonna have to figure it all out though. Let's pull this dipstick, guys, and see what we can find. Hopefully it's all good. Yeah, that's completely clean. Not sure if it's focusing exactly, but yeah, that's completely clean, guys. Which, probably not a good thing, but let's see what happens. The oil filter down there, not sure what that's even doing, because honestly, I don't think it's doing anything really at this point. There's no oil in there. But I do see some exposed wiring. That is not good. So, check this out, guys. Where did it go? Definitely does not look like that's supposed to be like that. So, I gotta order the new one of these. Let's try to figure this out. Okay, this is the battery terminal. That's fun. Just what I needed. Definitely gonna need a new coolant reservoir. This one has some gunk in it. Probably not gonna want to use that. Shouldn't be too bad, I hope. To replace. Alright, let's check these fuses. So, what appears to be is we're missing this one, also missing this one, and we are also missing this one. So that's 3 of them that we're missing. Those all seem relatively good. But these missing ones, not really liking that. Not that I can start it anyways, but I need to get a battery. Just gonna be trying to get this driver's side seat out. It's not an original, as you guys can tell, because whoever owned this thing before put in some nice Maxima or Ultima seats, and or they might actually even be SUV seats, just this mere size that they actually are. As you can tell, they're disgusting.
so I don't even know what that is. Don't want to find out.
But yeah, gotta get these things out of here. This is how it looks without those hideous seats in there. Yep. Much better. I'd even drive from back here if it was possible. Maybe if I was an NBA player. Need to get those door panels. Definitely need to get those. That is definitely not a good look right there. Kind of janky. Just like this steering wheel. What do you guys think of that? I know what I think of that. Guys, she cleaned up quite nicely. There's a couple of spots that I do have to maybe do some deeper cleaning, and or maybe just even swap out this carpet for an aftermarket one. I don't know what I'm going to do. I haven't really decided. I'm not a fan of this particular carpet. As you guys can see, it looks like those 80s or 90s carpets that would be inside homes, and pretty sure this is the OEM one, but I think I can definitely swap it out for a better one. That's aftermarket, maybe in a different color. We'll see. Whatever route I end up going with that thing. But yeah, guys, it's looking actually really clean now. I'm really excited to share this build with you guys along with the Supra, and I know that the Supra is taking a little bit longer than I had originally anticipated, but with that being said, I've got some exciting new changes coming along for that build as well. As I've said in the past, it's a bit harder to get parts for that car. Plus this car came with a lot more parts than that one obviously did. So this should be a nice build that'll be maybe a little quicker than the Supra. Just really excited with this build, and looking forward to honestly sharing the rest of it with you guys. If you guys, enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. So the wheels on this don't roll at all, and pretty sure it's because on this other side, not this one, but this other side, right here, we have a pretty interesting issue. So I'm not too sure if you guys can tell, but doing my best here. Maybe I could shine my light on it. 1 second. There we go. So as you guys can tell, the caliper is stuck between the wheel and the rotor, and I don't think it's gonna let this thing spin. So next time I'm gonna definitely be trying to get this wheel off of here. Maybe all 4 of them, and maybe swap them off with something else, or keep these for now, just to roll it around on and make sure that it actually can roll around. And if it can't, then there might be a bigger issue at hand. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for that, and if you guys haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notifications button, I really appreciate you guys giving me all this feedback on these videos, and I'm really excited to show you guys this journey for this new R32 GTR. I picked it up for actually $6,000. Really surprised at the price I was able to pick this up at.